Hello everyone, welcome to Ronnie Tuitions Maths as Number Game. As it demanded, Karnataka Board State Level Preparatory 1, as the student asked the solver the question paper, whatever the preparatory they written, so that question paper I holding in my hands and I am going to solve it, how to find the answers of this important question paper as State Level Preparatory 1. As the student asked, sir, solve only from the 5 marks, 4 marks, 3 marks questions, reverse wise go. So I will take it reverse. As the question number 38, as you know, the Karnataka board has the question paper pattern as the 5 marks question, one will come, and that is 5 marks from the surface area and volume. Surface area and volume. From here, one question will come from the 5 marks question. So first this question, then it is going to the reverse backward, 4 marks. 4 marks question will be the 4, that is the 16 marks total will come. 3 marks question will be the 9, that will be the 27. Up to 8 you asked to me, I am going to solve this much in this question paper. So let's start maths as number game. The first question says that, question number 38 in this question paper, it says that a water container is made by joining a cylinder and hemisphere. One cylinder is there, this is a cylinder, and one hemisphere joined over it by this is hemisphere, is equal radii, both are the radius is equal, means this is the radius of this one, it is equal, r is equal to given some number. The curved surface area of the hemisphere, means curved surface CSA of hemisphere is equal to, it is 2 pi r square. This is the curved surface area of a hemisphere. It is given equal to how much given? It is given the 2772 meter centimeter square. It is given centimeter square. It is given in that. After that, it says that the height of the cylinder is 140 centimeter. Height of the cylinder H CY. CY means cylinder, C means cone, HS means hemisphere, S means sphere. So it is given 140 centimeter. It is given in that. After the diagram also I will draw. Next is, and water level indicator I, it is fixed at a height of the 20 centimeter, means I1 water level indicator is there, that is the 20 centimeter. It is fixed over that. Below the top of the cylinder as shown in the figure, water can be stored in the cylinder up to the level of indicator. Up to the level of indicator means up to the I it is can be solved up, can filled up. Find the maximum amount of water that can be stored in the container, means we are going to find the volume. Volume we are going to find out in that. How much volume, how much water it can fill, and also find the amount of air stored. Air we are going to, this is the volume of water, how much water will come. Upside that some place is there, in that it will be given that how much air it will be, that will the hemisphere in that. Air, how much air, that is also volume only. Volume of air we are going to find out in that, in the remaining portion of the container. Now whatever the diagram given, the diagram I am drawing here. It is a cylinder given here. It is a cylinder given. In that cylinder, one hemisphere upside given. It is one hemisphere given like this. One hemisphere given. Radii is the same. R is the same given. Here also, here also, here also. This is the R only. This is given. Now in that given, it is kept the water kept here. This much water kept here. Suppose that it is I up to the here. Up to the here is the water given. It is the 140 centimeter and 20 centimeter below. This side is the 20 centimeter. From here to here it is. And this is given total height, means from here to here to here it is given the 140 centimeter given. And the curved surface area given. We have to find how much water it can hold and how much the air it can hold. Let's trying to solve it. First of all, we have to think on that, okay, how much height water is there. From here to here to here, it is the 20 centimeter less means 140. To height of the cylinder, how much water is filled? That much. Height of cylinder where the water is filled. Where water is filled, water filled, that will become 140 minus 20 is equal to 120 centimeter. Means this is the actual height where the water is there. This is the hemisphere and this is the remaining height of the another part. Suppose that this is the first part, this is the second part and this is the third part of this one. Now we are finding the volume of first. First we have to find the radius. In that, how to find the radius? Radius given the 2 pi r given. 2 pi r square is equal to given 2772 given. Centimeter square given it is. Now we have to find the r. So we are keeping the value 2 into 22 by 7 because of pi value into r. R square we don't know. 2772. R square is equal to this number 2772 into this will become the reverse 7 by 2 into 22. Now we can cancel it. First we are cancelling by this one because of it is a composite number. So composite number can be divisible by the 2. So 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, 1 become this side. So it will become the 17. Now 2 6 are 2 8 are 16, 1 become 2 6 are 12. This become. Now this number we can cancel by the again by the 11 2s and by the 2. Then it will become the 6 2s are 12, 1 become the side, 9 2s are 18 and 3s are into 7 by 11. This number we can cancel by the 11. As we know 11 6 are 66, 11 3s are 33. This is equal into 7. Now we can write it in the square numbers. So r square is equal to we got 63 into 7. We are finding the r root finding. So r is equal to we can write it like this 9 into 7 into 7 because of 9 7s are 63 into 7. Now 9 r you know 9 root is the 3 into 1 7 taken. So it is equal to 21 centimeter. Radius of this is the 21 centimeter. Now we are going to by finding the volume of the first, then volume of the second, then volume of the third. So first and third that is the air and second is the water. So let's find first the water, how much water it can hold. So volume of the cylinder, as you know, volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Pi value 22 by 7 into r. R already you found. How much it is there? 21. So 21 into h. Height of the cylinder, how till that water is filled. Means up to the here only I's indicator is given. Till that water is filled. Means it is the 140 minus 20 is equal to 120 centimeter. So 120 centimeter only. We should not write 140 because the total height of the cylinder is 140. But water fills up to the 120 centimeter. We can cancel it by the 3. So we got the number 22 into 3 into 21 into 120. Now if we multiply that number, then that will be the volume of the water filled. Let's multiplying it. So this will become the 22 into 21 3s are 63 into 120. Now we are multiplying it by this way. 0 kept, 12 3s are 36, 3 carry, 12 6 are 72 plus 3 is equal to 75 into this is the 22. Now we are multiplying this also numbers. 0 as it is, 22 6 are 132, 132 means 13 carry, multiplication double digit multiplying I am. So 12 22 5 are 110 plus 30, 110 plus 13 is equal to 123, 123 means 3, 12 carry become, 22 7s are 154, 154 plus 12 was the carry, so it become the 6 and 1. So this number written 166 centimeter cube. That much water, that much centimeter cube water it can hold. If suppose that it is asking how much liter water it can hold, so we change into the liter. So you know 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. So change into the meter cube first. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. If it is changing, so first we have to keep it to the divided by 10,000 this numbers. So this number divided by 1000 again 1000. So this number 0 cancel, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 0.16 kiloliter liter water is can be filled in that, but it is not asked in that, only asked this much water it is filled inside it, that much water filled. Now we are going to find how much air is filled in that. So water become, now we are going to find the how much air is filled. So air, total air is equal to, we are going to find first volume of the remaining cylinder plus volume of the hemisphere. Air, volume of air is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. So volume of cylinder you know pi r square h plus hemisphere, volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. You know we can take the common in that. So common become in that pi r square common taken. What remaining here? H here written 2 by 3 r remaining. Now pi value 22 by 7, r value already you know 21 into 21. H height of the cylinder means up to the how much remaining it is. This is the remaining 20. So this is the 20 plus 2 by 3 into r 21. Now we can cancel this one by the 3 ja. So this we got 22 into 66 into this one we are writing 20 plus this we can cancel by the 7. So it will become the 14. We got the 22 into 66 into 20 plus 14 is equal to 34. If we are multiplying this number, so that will be the answer of this question, how much volume of the air is filled. Let's multiplying it. So we can multiply it now. 22 6 ja 132, 13 carry, again 132 means this one number 541, 145 into 34 now. Let's trying by the same number. 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 22 carry, 4 4 ja 16 plus 2 carry it was, to become the 18, 1 carry and 5 into 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15, 1 carry, 14 3 ja 2, 42 plus 1 carry it was, so 42 plus 1 43, 8 6 0 1 carry become 13 1 carry become 8 plus 1 carry it was 9, then no carry, this much centimeter cube is the air was filled in that. So this is the total answer of this question. Let's go into the other question given in that, because of that question also will be done. Question written here. If you are like understanding, please like and share the video to help your friends also. Be confident while writing the exam. Nothing is there, just your confidence. If believe in yourself, everything will be possible. You can score. Math is not the hard, it is so simple. Just concentrate only, focus, be believing in yourself. A solid is made by placing a cone on the top of base of a cylinder and drilling out a hemisphere from the other base as shown in the figure. Question paper photo I will keep in the link only, so you can see the questions also. Because of it will wasting of the time if I will write the question on the board there. I will draw the diagrams. A solid is made of placing a cone on the top base of a cylinder. A one cylinder given. This is a cylinder. On that cylinder, one cone is kept. This is cone kept upside. Cone is kept. The slant height it is written. The slant height is written 3.5 centimeter given, and the height of the cylinder it is given in the diagram. It is the 14 centimeter given. The radii of the cylinder, cone and hemisphere. Downside hemisphere is drilled out. This hemisphere is drilled out, means taken out, outside kept. This is part 1, this is part 2, this is the part 3 here. Radii are the same for everywhere. The slant height and curved surface area of cone is, slant height means L. L is equal to 3.5 centimeter given, and the curved surface area of a cone, you know the CSA of cone is equal to pi RL given here 23.1 given, centimeter square given. Respectively, if the height of the cylinder is 14, already you seen in the diagram, height is already 14 centimeter given, then find the total volume. We have to find the total volume of the solid. Now to find the total area of the solid, we have to find first the volume of the cone, then volume of the cylinder. In that minus we have to do volume of the hemisphere. Why? Because of it is drilled out, is taken out from this one, drilled out, taken. Suppose that this is marker, this is a cone, this is a cylinder, and in that it is taken out. Suppose that this is drilled out, so this we have to do minus in that. If it is kept here, we have to add, but if it taken out, drilled out, then we have to make it minus. So writing first, volume of the total volume of solid is equal to first volume of the cone, volume of cone, plus part number 2, volume of cylinder, minus. Why minus? Because of it is drilled out, taken out. Then minus volume of hemisphere, volume of hemisphere. Writing the formulas, volume of cone, as you know, 1 by 3 pi r square h, plus volume of cylinder pi r square h, minus volume of the hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. These are, r is the same 4, but r not given here, L given and curved surface area given, means we have to find the first r also and h of the cone also. So let's finding first the r, means r is equal to total height, it is given in that r, in that this curved surface area pi r L is equal to 23.1 centimeter, it is given, square given. We are writing pi value, as is the pi value 22 by 7 into r into L, L given 3.5 given, 3.5 is equal to 23.1. Now by this r is equal to, we can write in reverse, we can cancel it like this, 0.5, this will become the 22 into 0.5 is equal to 11, 11 r is equal to 23.1, r is equal to 23.1 by 11, r is equal to, this we cancel, 11 2 ja 22 and 11 1 ja 11, 2.1 centimeter, we got the r. Now we have to find the h of the cone also, h of the cone. How to find the h of the cone? So you know, h is equal to L square minus r square root of this one. H is equal to h of the cone, C writing, C means cone. L how much given? 3.5 square minus r we got 2.1 square. Hc is equal to, will become the root 3.5 into 3.5. If the phi, one small shortcut tricks, let the first shortcut trick after that. Suppose that we are finding 3.5 into 3.5, square of the phi, the last digit is the phi, then we have to take this number phi square is 25, this is 3, next number is 3 and 4, 3 4s are 12, so this is the square of that number. Suppose that we want to find the 45 into 45, so phi square what? 25, 4 after the 4 what comes? 5, so 4 into 5 is equal to 20, so multiple of 45 into 45 how much? 2025, so like that it will become the 12.25 minus 21 and 21, you know 2.1 square is equal to 4.41, that much. So we can write HC, height of the cone, is equal to 12.25 minus 4.41, minus doing it become 4, it become the 12 minus 4 is equal to 8.7 become 7.84. Now this we are taking the root 7.84, so root will become the last digit is 4, so whether it is the 2 will come, otherwise 8 will come. Let me taking the 28, 2.8. You know, in lower classes you read finding the square root 8.74, making the pair like this. This pair, after point this pair will come the this side, this pair will go this side. So number that is goes multiply by the same number, then it should be less or equal to this number, but not more than that. Then it become the 2 number only, 2 2s are 4, 3 taking, then 3 3s are 9, it become more, it become 3, 84 taken, it become the 4, 2 plus 2 4. Here we have to write the number, then it become the So I know that number, so that 8 written and it becomes like this. So root of the 7.84 is the 2.8. 2.8. I saw one. So HC is equal to 2.8, means height of the cone is equal to 2.8 centimeter. Now filling the values into the formula and the answer will be. Let's writing the values. After substituting the values, it will be the answer of the question. See, volume of the cone 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of the cylinder pi r square h minus volume of the 2 by 3 pi r cube. Here r is the same for everywhere. We can take the common. So we can take the common pi r square. We can take the common. What remaining here? 1 by 3 h remaining plus remaining h remaining hc, it is hcy. Cy means cylinder minus this one 2 by 3 and r remaining here. Now keeping the value 22 by 7 into r. How much we got the r? That time we got the r here 2.1. 2.1 into 2.1 into 1 by 3 into h. Height of the cone, we got the 2.8 plus height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is how much given? 14. 14 minus 2 by 3 into r is the 2.1. Now here we can cancel 0.3. We can write 22 into 0.63. 21 3 63, so 63 into this one. We cannot cancel this one, so 2.8 by 3 plus 14 minus this can cancel 0.7, so it become the 1.4. 1.4. Let's solve the next. This number we are multiplying it. After multiplying this one, 22 3s are 60, 66, 6 carry, 132 plus 6 carry is equal to 132 plus 6 carry 138, 138. After 2 digit point here, that much centimeter into this one. This number we are dividing it. So what will become 2.8 divided by the 3. 0 point. Here point after that kept this, so that 28, 7. 9s are 27, 1 remaining, 3 become. So this will become the 0.93 number will come plus 14 minus 1.4. Now solving it, 13.86 into this number. 14 minus 1.4 is equal to 12.6. See, and then this one number by adding 0.93. Here 0, 3, 15, 1 carry and 13. 13.53. If we multiply this number, that will be the centimeter cube is the volume of the solid, given solid, this number. Now we are going to the next 4 marks question. 4 marks question. So 4 marks question, it says that here first 4 marks question, question number 37, it is given here. It is from the application of the trigonometry. So this is the question from the trigonometry. A tower and a building are standing vertically on a level ground. This is a building, PQ is a building, R and T is the tower. Standing vertically on means the pole, tree, building, tower, always we are taking is the right angle. So here is right angle, here is the right angle. Because of this is Q and U is the ground, level ground. And from the top of the building are found to be angles found, elevation angle of that 30 degree and 45 degree. This angle is 30 degree, this angle is 45 degree found. Shown in the figure. If the distance of the point from the foot of the tower is the, this is the from here to here. Again, if the distance of the point from the foot of the tower to the building, this side is the 40√3 meter, and height of the building, this is the PQ is the building, 15 meter. Then find the distance between the foot of the tower and the building. Means this This we are going to question mark. QT we are going to find. And building, and also distance between the top of the tower and the top of the building. This we are going to find out. Means it is given that PQ is building. PQ is building given R and T. RT is tower, and TU is the 40 root 3 meter given, and the PQ, that is the height of the building, 15 meter given, and the angle of elevation, it is given from this one 45 degree. So this one given, theta is equal to 45 degree and 30 degree. Both at a one time we written. I written one time. Now we are going to find the question mark, whatever written, that we are going to find out. We are finding it first. One triangle. This triangle we are going to find out. Let this triangle. This is what? This is 90 degree. This also 90 degree. This also. So this is a become the rectangle. Rectangle means opposite sides are equal. So this is the 15 meter. Let this is x meter from here. Yes, written here. RS is equal to S. Let RS is equal to x meter. You can take the RS as only. You can take it. Now we are taking the one. This one we are taking first. This triangle take. Otherwise this triangle. Let the first this triangle taking here. Then this is the second triangle. Second things. Now first in right angle triangle. What is the name of right angle triangle? R P S. R P S. You know this angle is here 45. So this will become the opposite. This will become opposite side. Opposite by, we have to find this one also, we have to find this one also. We are finding this one first. Otherwise this one, okay, PS, adjacent point finding. Adjacent. That is what is the opposite? Opposite is RS and the adjacent is the PS. PS is equal to what? Opposite by adjacent, you know, it is the tan theta. It is the relation is the tan theta. We are finding RS, how much? We found RS I can write, otherwise X can write. So RS only, let the RS only. RS by PS, we don't know. PS only. Is equal to 10. How much given angle? Angle given 45 degree. 45 degree. Now RS by PS is equal to 10, 45 value is 1. So 1 by 1 we can write. Now by cross multiplication we can write RS is equal to PS. Means how much is the RS? That much is the PS meter. We found RS is equal to PS. Now we are taking this triangle. Triangle number 2. What is the name? RUT. In triangle. In right angle triangle. RUT. What is that? This is the 30 degree. So this will become the opposite. This will become the adjacent. So opposite by adjacent. What is the opposite? Opposite given here RT. By this adjacent become the TU. So RT opposite by adjacent is equal to tan theta. So we written the tan theta. Opposite how much given? Opposite it is the this one RS plus ST. RS plus ST. ST how much is there? 15. Means RS plus 15. This much RS, and this is the 15 because of opposite side this one. So 15 by TU. TU how much given? 40 root 3. 40 root 3 is equal to 10 30 degree. Or 10 30 degree value RS as it is written plus 15 by 40 root 3 is equal to 10 30 value what? 10 30 value is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Now cross multiplication. We can cancel also this one can cancel. If multiplying, this is cancelled one. Because of equal sign is there, so that cancel. If equal sign or there, no, cannot be cancel it. Now we can write it like this also. 40 into 140 RS plus 15 is equal to 40. Because of 50 RS plus 15, downside nothing is there, 1 is there, to multiply them. RS is equal to 40 minus 15. RS is equal to, we got the 25 meter. Means this is the 25 and this also the 25 meter. Now we are going to find the what is the distance between the top of the building and the top of the tower. So that is called the that will become the PR. Again, in right angle triangle, what is the name? RSP or RPS. Again, so what we can write? This is what become opposite. This is what? This will become the hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So what is the opposite in that? RS. By hypotenuse is what? PR is equal to what? Opposite by hypotenuse is equal to sine, the relation sine theta. How much RS? How much we found? RS we found the 25. So 25 by hypotenuse we are finding, means PR is equal to sine theta. Sine value what given here? 45 degree. 45 degree. So 25 by PR. Sine 45 value is what? Sine 45 value is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. You have to remember the table. One in my playlist, the how to form the table, that is already written. It is already given, video made. Shortcut tricks also given, how to find the values also by LRL, by the on the fingers 0, 3t, 45, 60, 90. Sine is downside, cos is upside. It is already video is there. You can prepare it. 1 by root 2 by cross multiplication. PR is equal to 25 root 2 meter. 25 by 25 2 meter. That is the height of the building, and this is the total answer of this question. If you are understanding, please like the video, comment which video you want next. That is important. Keep on learning. Consistency required to become the success in the life. Consistency, determination and disciplined life. If you are consistent on your, suppose that one thing, one drop can fill a one pot. So like that, one things you are learning, you will become the master of that one. Next we are going 4 marks question only. It is saying that if you want to learn, nobody can stop you. If you don't want to learn, nobody can teach you. So here question given next, another 4 marks question. It is from the arithmetic progression. So first going to the downside question, after that going to the next question written. An arithmetic progression means AP consists of the 30 terms, total terms. Total terms are there, is that 30 terms are there. 17th term means A17. A17th term of progression is 4 more. See how I am reading and how writing, learn it. 17th term of progression is 4 more. More means plus. 4 more. Then the thrice. Its fifth term means A5, and this is the become the equation like that. If the 10th term, A10th term of the progression is 31, find the last 3 terms. We are finding last 3 terms. 3 terms we are going to find out. Last 3 terms means 30 is there, so we are finding the 28, 29 and 30. These terms we are going to find out. A28, A29, A30. We are going to find out. These terms we are going to find out. Let's solve the question according to the equation what given. First of all, this we are solving it in a journal form. You know, AP is form journal. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. It is the journal form of an arithmetic progression. In that, so first it is given the A17. A17 means A plus 17 less than 1, 16D is equal to 3 into A5 means A plus 4D, 1 less, plus 4 it is given. Now we can solve it. A plus 16D is equal to 3 into A 3A plus 3 into 4 12 and DD plus this one 4. This is not multiplication here because of this is separate 4 more. Now we can transposing, side changing, RHS to LHS, LHS to RHS. So A, this will come this side, so minus 3A plus 16D as it is. This will come this side, so minus 12D is equal to this, let it be this side only 4. Now A minus 3A is equal to minus 2A plus 16D minus 12D is equal to 4D is equal to 4. We can take the 2 common, otherwise let it like this only. This is equation number 1 we got. Next we are going to solve another one. This given A10. A10 we can write, A10 is equal to, we can write A plus 9D is equal to how much given? 31. It is equation number 2. Now we got the 2 equation, linear equation in 2 variable. Already you know, I hope it. If you don't know how to solve it, just please prefer the backside previous in playlist videos and you be the learning comfortable in that. So we writing up and down by the elimination method or by the substitution method. And before that I kept in that only 2 is there in this. For your Karnataka board state syllabus, in the 2 methods are given. If higher you will go, there are the another 2 methods will be there, that is cross multiplication method and reducing method or matrix method. Matrix. In that A plus 9D is equal to 31 and this written downside 2A plus 4D is equal to 4. It is equation number 2 I written, it is equation 1. Now we have to multiply it to make the equal first. So this is multiplied by the 2. So 2A plus 18D is equal to 62. Total term how to be multiplied? Not only this one multiplied or that's not. No. This is written minus 2A plus 4D is equal to 4. Now we are by adding. By adding it is. You know already. So this is cancel will happen. This will become the 22D is equal to 66. D is equal to 66 by 22 is equal to 3. D we got the 3. Now we let find the value of the A. So A finding value purpose. A finding value. Value of A. In that equation keeping in this anywhere. Let the finding the equation number 1. In that keeping the D value. Minus 2A plus 4 into D. D value we got the 3. 3 is equal to 4. Now multiply minus 2A plus 4 3s are 12 is equal to 4. Minus 2A is equal to 4. This number transposing that side will go, then it will become that minus 12. Minus 12. Then minus 2A is equal to minus 8. Minus minus cancel. A is equal to 8 by 2. A is equal to 4. We got the A. A got, D got. Now we are going to find the last 3 terms 28. 29 and 30. Let's finding the 28. 28 means A28 means A plus 27D. A value we go 4 and 27 into D value we got the 3. Now 4 plus 27 3 is 81. So it will become the 85. Now 29, A29 you can find like directly, but no, in that next D adding, then it will become the 25, 85 plus 3 is equal to 88. Then A30 value will go. You have to do like this. After that again A30 value, in that again 3 adding, then it becomes the 91, and that's all the answer of this arithmetic progression. In that another one more question given, or question given. Let's try into that or question. When you are going to write your exam, just be the confident, you know everything, and continuation, whichever you know first, attempt that one. It will increase your confidence. Yeah, I can do it. And if it is comes in your mind, yes, I can do, it will be done. Next here question given. If the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression, if the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression phi n minus n square, means it is given n terms given phi n minus n square it is given. Then write the arithmetic progression. We have to find the AP. AP question mark. Find the 21st terms. Find the 21st terms means A25, A21. We are going to find out, and then also find the sum of first 20 terms. 21 terms. Yes, n means yes 21. We are going to find out. This is the questions given here. So first of all, let that we are keeping the n value. Let n is equal to 1. Let n is equal to 1. We kept 1 keeping, then we will keeping the phi into 1 minus 1 square. Phi minus 1 is equal to 4 means first term. N is equal to 1 means n only. First term A is equal to 4 we got. Now we are going to find the S2. S2 means S1 or A, S1 or A is equal to same thing. S2 we are finding, so we are keeping n is equal to 2. 5 into 2 minus 2 square. Then 5 2 is 10 minus 4, 2 square 4 is equal to 6. Means S2 is equal to 6. S1 and S2. S1 is equal to given 4 and S2 is equal to we got the 6. Means if the 2 minus 1 we are doing, we are finding the A2. So A2 we are finding in that value, this minus. Suppose that here anything is added here, then we got the 6. Then only. So D value what we got? 6 minus 4. D value we got the 2. This is the 2 value, we got the 2. Means in S1, something we add, then we got the 6. In S2, second term, then that is the 2 added in that. So that is the difference in that. Like that, this is S1, S2 we found. Another formula is that AN is equal to, this is Sn minus Sn minus 1. Means succeeding term minus preceding terms. It is the 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Okay. So that is the AN, means which is that second term. Second minus first. So second term A2. We got that one. 2 we got. So here we got these numbers. Now we are going to find the number of 21. AP we are finding. After finding the AP, we are finding the A21 and then this one. So first let us find the AP. AP it is found that A plus D, A plus 2D and so on it is. For the AP, A we got the here, A already we got, A is equal to first term, in that first term we got the, n got that is the 4, A, 4. Second term we got the second term, A2 is equal to 2 only, that is means D. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. In that again to adding, then it is become the 8 and so on. This is the become the AP. This become the AP of this. Now we are going to find the A21. A21 means A21 is equal to A plus 20D. A value we got the 4 plus 20 into D. D value we got the 2. So 2. So 4 plus 80, sorry, it become the 40 is equal to become the 44. Now we are getting the S21. S21 is equal to n by 2, that is Sn formula writing. Sn is equal to 2A plus n minus 1 into D. S21 is equal to n 21 by 2. N means number of terms. 21 by 2, 2 into A. A value what we got? A value got the 4. A is equal to we got the 4. 4 plus 21 minus 1. D value we got the here 2. So 2. Now S21 is equal to 21 by 2 into 2 4 ja 8 plus 21 minus 1 is equal to 20 into 2. Now first many students are doing mistake कि they will add first 20 plus 8 28 making. No, according to the board mass, first multiplication. S21 is equal to 21 by 2 into 8 plus this become the 40. 22 is 40. Then S21 is equal to 21 by 2 into 40 plus 8 48. This we can cancel by the 24 ja. Then 24 into 11, 21. 21 4 ja 44. 84. 8 carry. 42 plus 8. 42 plus 8 become the 50. 504. That is the answer of this total AP question. Next we are going another 4 marks question is there in that. That is given the, in this question paper it is given the theorems given. So one is given the Thales theorem or that is called the BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem, can do. Question number 34 in that it is given the graphically method. Graphic. Solve the linear equation in 2 variable by the graph method. So let it be done with later. Now going to the 3 marks question. One in that it is given that question 3 marks question. Question number 33 or question in this question. Questions you will find in the post of the YouTube post. You will find the question paper photo. Question written that the minute hand of a wall clock is 18 centimeter long. One wall clock is there. As you know, wall clock is always in circular form, circle. It is here center where the hands are minute hand, second hand and the hour hand is kept. So one clock is there, that is minute hand is 18 centimeter long, means 18 centimeter means this become the radius r. R is equal to 18 centimeter given here. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 35 minutes. Means here it is on from the 12 and it is come 35 minutes. Time given here 35 minutes given. So first of all we have to find that find the length of the area. Find the area. Area means what? If it is comes from here to here, suppose that here to here comes, then this like this, suppose that like this. So this part is become the sector. What become? Sector become. It is called the sector part become. Another one, find the length of the arc. Means it is arc. This is called the arc. It will become. It is for the arc. Suppose that here AO, here is A, here is the B, and this will call the sector. Area of the sector OAB. OAB and the length of the arc. Length of arc. What is arc? OA and suppose that anywhere Y cap here. OAYB. That is the question mark here. Now first of all things we have to find that what is that in theta here we have to find out, and this is the 18 only given. We have to find out first how much angle formed by the minute hand in a 1 minute. You know there is in clock there are the total 60 minutes are there in a 1 hour. 60 minutes. 60 minutes. And total angle of a circle from here to here it becomes one round. It makes the circle. Total angle is circle is 360 degree. So 1 minute how much make? 360 by 60 is equal to 6 degree. How much make? In a 1 minute it make the 6 degree angle. So 35 minutes how much angle it will make? Total angle formed. Total angle means that is called the theta. Theta is equal to what become? 35 into 6, because of 35 minutes given. In a 1 minute 6 degree, so 35 minutes this much means 210 degree. 210 degree. 210 degree it will become. This is given the theta. Now we are finding the area of the sector first. Area of the sector now. Area of the sector. So formula writing area of the sector. Area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Pi value already you know. If it is not stated, not given, then always you have to take the 22 by 7. Theta given 210 divided by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 into r. R already given the 18 centimeter. 18 into 18. We can cancel this 0. We can cancel it by the 18 2 ja. We can cancel this one 11 ja. This we can cancel by the remaining number cannot be cancelled. This number can be cancelled by 3 ja. So we got the 11 3 ja 33 into 11 is equal to 11 into 33. We are multiplying it, so it will become the 594. 18 3 is 54, correct? Maybe correct. Centimeter square. This is the area of the sector. Now it is find the length of the arc. So length of the arc formula, length of arc formula become the theta by 360 into 2 pi r, keeping the value 210 by 360 into 2 into pi value become the 22 by 7 into r given the 18. Some cancellations. This 0 cancel, this cancel, then this number remaining here, this number cancel by 3 ja is equal to 66 centimeter, and this is the total answer of this question, 3 marks question. Let's going to the another or question given in that. Or question given, that or question we are finding. Please like the video, share, comment which video you want, which question paper want, which sum you want. Just you can type the sum and send it. It will be done. Learn well, do well. get a good name, good fame for you, for the parents, for the country, not for anyone else but for India. To be proud for the, yeah, you are from the India. If it is from the outside, then also India is the best. Next, in the figure, the area of the sector is one circle given here. Circle given here. In that given here, circle given, center given O, circle given O, and sector given here, O given. Here radius given like this. Here written A. Here the code given like this B, and here given the Y somewhere like this point done. This angle given the 120 degree. We have to find the, and it is given area of the sector given here, this sector, total area of the sector, this was sector, area of sector is given the theta by 360 into pi r square is equal to 462 centimeter it is given, and angle given already theta is equal to given 120 degree. We have to find the length of the arc. Length of the arc we are going to find out. Length of arc, Mr. Mark. Let's solve it. For solving it, we have to write the formula. This one, keeping the value 120 by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 into r value, r given here. In that, first we have to find the r only. R is equal to, r square is equal to 462 given. Then we are cancellationing it. This number cancelled by the 3 Now it will become the 22 r square by 21 is equal to 462. Cancellation, if you are transposing it from this side to this side, it will change the reciprocal. R square is equal to 462 into, this will become upside 21 by 22. This cancel, 22 to the 42, 44, and again 2 the 1 ja. R square is equal to given 21 into 21. The square, then we are finding the root. So R is equal to root 21 into 21 means R is equal to, we got the 21 centimeter. Let's find the another one now. Length of the arc. Length of the arc means the theta by 360 into pi r square, 2 pi r. Keeping the values, substituting the values. If substituting values, the 120 by 360 into 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into r. R given the, here we got the 21. 21. Cancellation, this cancel by the 3 this cancel by the this one, and we got the 44 centimeter. This is the length of the arc we got here. Next question given the next, here asked the question, cosec a minus sin a into tan a plus cot a is equal to cot a into cosec a. In the trigonometry, the question it is the introduction to trigonometry. Let's proving it whether it is equal or not, taking the RHS and LHS both side. So first this one, changing into sin and cos. The rule, cosec is equal to 1 by sin a. Angle only, that whatever written, a written, theta written, beta, alpha, gamma, anyone. So 1 by sin a minus sin a into tan is equal to, we can write sin a by cos a. Plus given, plus writing, cot is equal to, we can write cos a by sin a, we can write. Into is equal to cot, we can write cos a by sin a, we can write. Into cosec, we can write 1 by sin a, we can write. This we can write. Now we are solving the LCM side. So this LCM we are taking. We cannot cancel like this because of sin is minus here. So that sin a taken the LCM. So here written sin a. Sin a divided by sin a is equal 1 into 1 minus, here we can think 1 downside, sin a divided by 1 is equal to sin a into sin a into sin a, to sin square a. This one writing, here taken the common for that LCM cos a and sin a. Here written cos a into sin a, LCM taken, cos a cancel, remaining sin a, Sine into sine A is equal to sine square A. Plus is there, plus written. Sine cancel. Cos A into cos A is equal to cos square A. Then it will become that this side we taken the LCM. So we taken the multiply. Sine into sine A, sine square A. Sine square A. Upside cos into A, cos A. Cos A. Let's this one. Now you know sine square A plus cos square is equal to 1. This as it is 1 minus sine square is equal to cos square. Cos square A, this is identity. The half of this written identity by sine A into sine square A plus cos square is equal to 1. So 1 by cos into sine. Cos A into sine A is equal to, that is as it is, cos A by sine square A. We can cancel this cos square, this cos cancel because of square is there, so that downside remaining, upside remaining 1. 1 into cos, cos A, this is cos, this one cos A, sine into sine, sine square is equal to same as it is cos A by sine square A. Thank you. Have nice interest in the maths. Be consistent, focus, get a good name. Thank you.